Okay, bag number 4. That's 5. That's 6. That's 4. Look at this. We still have a lot of Lego, chat. Yeah, we're gonna have to... I'm gonna wait until 5 today, like, officially. Like, kind of... You know? We're gonna wait until 5 to... Then we'll order food, get a beer, you know. I don't want to drink too early. What are you gonna make for dinner, Ermi? And do you have enough for the class? I hate when these bags don't tier. Okay, sometimes like it goes perfectly. Beef and potato stew. Oh, I love a good potato stew. Potato beef stew. What's too early? It's 5 somewhere. Yeah, the problem is the person at 5 somewhere is going to go to bed at midnight sometime. And I'm not, you know, so. Probably going to be... I mean, I don't know how late we're going to go today. I don't know how late we're going to go today. Okay. Boil him, mash him, stick him in a stew. There's nothing that makes me happier than a good stew. It's just so comforting. I would take a good meat stew over like almost any like I would take that over almost any like junk food or any I mean, I don't know what I'm getting tonight. What are we getting some sushis? Sushi sounds like a nice birthday food, doesn't it? Poutine? Could get poutine. If we drink enough. Juicy burger. Is the camera looking good still? Yeah, okay. The green of the green screen is bleeding on the pieces, but it's not too bad. Boil him, mash him, stick him in a stew. What are you at, Be Quirky? Are you waiting for me on every step, or have you started like progressing further? Some Italian food could be a good idea. Steak, treat yourself. Delivery steak. Tartar, not a big... I love... I mean, tartar tastes great, but it's not like... Like, I'll eat it, but it's not the thing that I crave. Does that make any sense? Like, I love it. Like, a good tartar is really, really good. Love it, but it's not something I crave. I don't think I've ever craved that. It's just not something that I'm, like, excited about or anything. Yo, thank you so much for the happy birthday wishes. A good slice of honeyed pizza? Ooh. Oh, no, that goes to the other side. Nice. I mean, like, tartar, like, my fiance makes, like, I love salmon tartar. Love it, but it's just like you have to get some crouton or whatever, like something to put on it, and it's not a good streaming food, especially like it's almost just as bad as like ordering tacos, you know. Tacos are great, they're amazing, but it's not a good streaming food, you know. Like it's messy. It's like when I order food, it needs to be in a bowl with a fork or a pizza, or it needs to be convenient for me to eat it on stream as well. As much as I love... Bro, we actually went to a little taco shop I've been seeing this taco shop like for the past years, and we never went, and we finally went, and it was pretty good. It's like a very little shop. They have nothing else but like 5 different type of tacos. That's all they serve. You want a taco? We got it. Something else? Fuck off. I have a meal replacement shake for my dinner? Oh no. Why? Are you trying to lose a little bit? Talk to you later, Cranky. All right, my friend. Spiced honey, broccoli, mincemeat, gluten-free pizza, right? Ugh. Don't even talk to me. Don't even talk to me about that. Full turkey dinner going on in here. Oh, what are you making with the... What are you making with the turkey? Are you doing it like traditional, kind of like Thanksgiving style, or... I don't even know what you guys get where you guys are big on like sweet potato, mashed potato, gravy. I'm gonna get it hot. Good job, my dude. I lost a lot of weight for a while. And now I haven't weighed myself in a bit, but I haven't gained anything. Every time I do, I'm like pretty stagnant for the past couple of weeks. But, you know, like we had some days off and we decided to just like, it was super hot outside. So we decided to go out, get some ice cream, you know. But I kind of compensated every time. So even though I was like going to the restaurant often, and even though I was going to the restaurant often and like having ice cream and shit, I still didn't gain weight because I was compensating, but I didn't keep losing weight. But I'm okay with that. Like if I can treat myself for like a week or two during vacation and shit and not gain weight, I'm happy with that. That's a victory for me. That's good. That's good, Void. I need to find a good meal prep place. Honestly, Othermore, I would go with... I mean, where do you live right now? I always forget where where you are right now. Edmonton? have you checked We Cook? If they do Edmonton, I think they do Toronto. I don't know if they go that far, though. Sweet potato casserole, mashed potato, stuffing, green bean casserole, turkey, yeast roll, gravy. Oh my god. I had a place that had pre-made, but it was macro focused for gym people. Yeah. That's what We Cook used to be. It used to be that. And then they kind of evolve. But they're still really nice. Like their website has the full ingredient list and shit, so you can actually see what you're eating. So you know like how much calorie you're getting from the meal, and but it's good stuff, you know, like they're not like, you know, it was gym focused because that's usually the people that will buy these kind of stuff. But yeah. You found a new place yesterday, you'll try that. Nice. What is it called? There's one in the US called Factor or whatever. I don't remember what it is. I don't know if it works in Canada. Yo, Feisty, thank you so much. It's just a regular portion, or like, yeah, that's what it is. All my meals are like 500 calorie. So I know I can easily calculate, right? Like, I can easily calculate, right? Like, I can easily go like, oh, so I've had my dinner. So usually my day, what I'll do, right, is I get my AG1 shake and a banana. That's going to be like, what, 200 calories top. And then I get one lunch, that's 500. And then I got another, and then I get my dinner, which is 500. And then I know I'm like, okay, so I'm at like 1,100, 1,200, right? And then I know I can go out for ice cream, or I can go out for whatever, and I'm still under my daily intake, you know? So it's just not, like, I don't count, like, per se, but at least I know where I'm at, which helps me so fucking much. You know what I'm saying? Like, it just helps me just to know at glance. Like, you know, I don't write it down on a piece of paper and shit, but I know at glance what I'm at. So because of that, it helps so much, because I know, like, okay, well, yeah, today maybe I overdid it, you know, maybe I overdid it a little bit today, you know, and I'll slack, or I'll, you know. It's called Mealcraft. Oh, nice. How is the AG1? Pretty tasty. AG1 is fine. It's not like I got used to it. It's not bad. Some people say, like, when I was looking at reviews, some people were like, "Oh my god, it's disgusting." It's not disgusting. I kind of got used to it. I almost look forward to the morning to drink it, but I'm weird. I eat pretty much whatever. So I wouldn't trust myself as to I wouldn't trust myself as to if something is good or not, I'll be honest. We're building Grogu. So we're making his little robe right now. This is his little body, and then we're gonna have his head later. It's gonna look something a little bit like this. We don't see well the box, but yeah, you can see his little body, his little hand, all that sweet stuff. Hey, Culloden, what's up, my dude? We got the Culloden in the chat. Thank you, Culloden. I appreciate it. I appreciate it a lot. That is very nice of you. I missed a piece there. There's supposed to be a piece. Oh, it's this piece that I'm missing. See? I immediately fucking spotted it, dude. It's like right here, I think. Yep. I immediately saw it when I felt like it was weird that this piece was not there we go. Thank you, Beastie. I appreciate it. Pre-Sith, yeah. Oh shit, I'm here. Y'all better start acting right. Yeah, we better gotta get an order, chat. All right, let me pull this right here on top. Oh fuck. Okay, there you go. Void going straight for the throat. I can't eat it, but damn, it looks good. Oh, did you guys posted something somewhere? Chops we posted in food channel? Oh no. Don't do this to me. I'm hungry as hell. It's a ramen bowl? I gotta go look. Oh my goodness. Can you put it in my mouth? I would appreciate it, thank you. It looks like somebody took their pants off in the background. It's that good. You know when you cook really good food? Hey, Shady Wiz Wolf. Thank you so much, my friend. Hope you have an amazing day as well. It was restaurant. Oh, so the person at the restaurant took their pants off. Great. Damn, reading you guys talk about weight and I see 190, 200, and I'm sitting here thinking I haven't weighted that much since I was 12. Yeah, me too, pretty much. Me too. No, 16 maybe. My day's alright, but I'll be fine. I hope it gets better, my friend. I really, really hope it gets better. People getting naked at the restaurant? How you doing, B-May? Na 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 na, honey, honey, na 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 na. You are my lonely girl. That's a health code violation. Wait, taking your pants off? At a restaurant? Probably. Okay. And now we're putting... Okay, let me do this step by step here. There we go. Let's do this. This. And this. Oh, is this for his little arm, you think? Thank you, Pop Music. I appreciate it. The High B May immediately singing his favorite song. Yeah, they the whole crew recorded videos for my birthday video behind my back, and B May was singing the song in the video, and now we got it. I got it inside my head. Honey, honey. I'm guessing you're now 37. Eh, pretty close, but too old, actually. I'm 33. 4 beers in, Grogu looks more like Kermit. Yeah, we're about to start drinking here because we're going to need help to finish this thing. We're going to need help to finish this thing. I'm way off. I mean, to be fair, I look 37, so... You know? Well, I've been getting it stuck into your head for 4 years now. May as well do it in the video. But yeah, I mean, it's if you're going to put it anywhere, it's going to be right there. My OCD eagers you to change that gray piece. It's not aligned. What do you mean? Of course it is. It's exactly like this. That third gray piece with a slit. Wait, you mean these? Oh, because this is not... Oh, my goodness. Okay. Wow. That is a level of OCD I've never seen in my life. But, good point. There we go. Better now? There we go. Oh, fuck! In the plan, they're supposed to be top down. Shit. You know what? Let's do it like the plan. God damn it. Now it's all going to shit. The plan has them top-down view like this. There we go. Okay. What a relief. Yeah, it feels good, right? We're gonna need you to go back and make sure all the pieces are facing according to plan. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, wow. It's not there at all. There we go. Thanks, Starfield. Already getting review bomb. Wait, how can people review bomb a game that's not even out? Like, what the fuck? Only 240 steps left? Yeah, we're gonna need some drinks. We're gonna need some drinks pretty soon if we want to make it through, chat. This is relaxing, though. Are you guys enjoying it? Should we do this more often? Yeah, Lego Sunday. Oh my god, once a week? Jeez, no, I was thinking once a month. Les Lego lundi. How long do we have left before he can trim his beard? Until season 1. So 20th of July, 7 days. Tipolsky, thank you for the happy birthday, my friend. Thank you for the 9 months. You can stretch out one build over a couple weeks. It's kind of nice to get them... I mean, obviously, like, if we get bigger builds, like the Falcon or Rivendell, obviously it's going to be multiple days. But once I put the setup down for building Legos, I don't really want to... You know, so because I have to, I got like a setup right now going where I cleared space and, you know, like, it's probably not something that I would want to, it's probably not something that I would want to have to do all the time, you know what I'm saying? So. Probably not something I would want to do all the time. Like when I oh fuck. When I set it up. When I set it up, you know, for to start building, I probably want to be like I probably want to just do that for a while, you know. What is it supposed to be? So it's a massive shit. It's just gonna be like, it's just. It's Grogu from Star Wars, the Child. It is called the Child. It's Baby Yoda. Yeah, so bag 5 chat. Holy shit. So yeah, it's one of those things where like I'm sitting here and I'm like I want to finish these Lego set in one swoop if I can. Like, you know, that's why like 1,000 piece are perfect. But obviously, if we how do you have unused parts? Lego always gives you unused parts. Holy shit. B-Mate, what the fuck? Did you fully fund Boba Fett? Oh no. No shot. No shot. Anonymous and B-May. Anonymous, Wonder Woman, B-May, and Eitharbor all contributed to Boba Fett. Yo, chat. You guys are insane. Look at this shit, chat. We got Boba Fett. We got... These are all the Legos that Stream bought us. So I have 4, and Stream just got us 4 more that we're going to be able to build together. This is so cool. You guys are insane. Holy smokes. God damn. That is awesome. You guys are insane. Going back to work? Have a fantastic day at work, my good friend. I guess you're going to be a Lego builder now? Yeah. We got a lot of work. We got a lot of work coming up.